Hey guys, we're at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a beautiful 2017 Dodge Durango RT. This vehicle came with the original Beats audio system, and it wasn't really doing it for the customer. Essentially, he got good sound, but not a lot of volume and not a lot of bottom end. He came in and wanted to know what we could do. So we went ahead and installed two brand new JL Audio amplifiers. We took out the original Beats audio subwoofer, which can always go back in down the road if he's going to trade in. But we put them underneath the storage compartment down below. So all you see is a subwoofer, and you can remove that at any time if he needs that extra storage capacity. The amplifiers are hidden away, and it sounds amazing. Let's go inside the cabin so you can see what the vehicle looks like. So the important thing to know is the original Uconnect system is 100% fully functional, from your volume and station controls on the steering wheel all the way to your factory climate controls on the dash. So Avenue Sound, Long Island, New York. Visit us on www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or Twitter, and we can go ahead and upgrade your sound system.
She shared a cigarette with me, was rather play the guitar. She asked me, what does it mean? The guinea pig on your arm said it was one of my friend's songs. Do you want to drink on? She took